Hey everyone, this is Eric with Jorgensen Collision Center again. And today the bike shop handed this aluminum bike frame for us to powder coat. So, I don't know, what are you thinking this
It's already been sandblasted, ready to go. I think it'll take. I think it'll be good, but you had a good idea.
Yeah, I think it's some like Rasta colors, like Bob Marley, you know, some bright colors. I don't know, maybe we'll put it together afterwards, see what it looks like.
Just in time for summer.
Exactly.
I think it'll be good.
Perfect. Let's try it. So I really like how this Trek mountain bike frame turned out. This is awesome. I actually want this paint job now for my bike.
It's crazy how much the color pops on this one though. Like it definitely depends on what it's made out of to tell if it's gonna take or not.
For sure. I mean, it's super smooth too. Like this is a clean looking job right here. Maybe we can get some parts together from the bike shop. Maybe they'll actually build this bike.
I think we should try.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a definite. It powders for sure.
For sure, this is a definite win. Well, if you want your mountain bike frame powdered, you know who to call. So yeah, let's check in next week, see what we're up to. Hey guys, I actually forgot to mention, we've got some glasses over here that we're gonna try to powder coat or maybe use a heat gun. I don't know if they're gonna withstand the furnace.
Yeah, it reminds me of the toilet seat a little bit. It'll probably just start melting with that hot for that long.
Yeah.
So maybe a heat gun will get that powder to stick. And leave us a comment. Let us know what color or what design you think we should do for just some simple glasses frames.
Yeah, that sounds good. Check in next week.